This is Captain Tinsley, Saltyabandon, and my trip to the west coast of Florida, Keys, wherever I was planning on going. I was going to figure out when I get to the west coast of Florida from Orange Beach, Alabama. It's been put off again due to red tide. So there's been red tide, engine troubles, Hurricane Michael, and red tide again. So this site, Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission, they have this red tide current status, and here's the map. So here's where I am, right here, right there, and you see it's just over here, Destin, Panama City, and everything. Look at all this right here. The red is high, orange is medium, and then yellow is low, and not present is gray. So we got all this out here. And that looks like a mess. So my path would basically be, something like this. But look, so that's like Clearwater, Pinellas County, and then it even goes down here into the Keys. It's low, but then a little bit up the East Coast, stops around Indian River. So that's where I am now. So what I thought I'd do is, I still have a lot of footage that I haven't posted, but this next footage is going to be from my sail from Marathon to Key West, November of 2017. I hope you enjoy it.
Like an island rain, it comes in out of nowhere. You might not choose to go there, but it hits you just the same. Close your eyes and see what matters. Wash away your worry and pain. There's holy water in an island rain.
We're going to have to make a turn, so we might have to adjust the sails. We just left Marathon, Faro Blanco Marina, and now we are headed towards 7 Mile Bridge. Anyway, we have the engine off. No engine. See, you don't hear an engine sound. Do we hear an engine sound?
There's no engine running.
We're going to be in Key West sometime this afternoon.
Maybe what you have ain't what you wanted. Where you are ain't where you wanna be. Maybe you feel tied down. Maybe something's gonna come around and set you free. Like an island rain, it comes in out of nowhere. You might not choose to go there, but it hits you just the same. Close your eyes and see what matters, and wash away your worry and pain. There's holy water in an island rain. Every day is a blessing to be counted.
We are about 28 miles from Key West. We're gonna get there 3 o'clock-ish Eastern. But in the meantime, it's a beautiful sail. We waited to today because the winds were like 20 to 25 knots earlier in the week, and today was like 10 to 15, so it's actually perfect. Got some grass, but it's a beautiful blue-green color, the water. Wow. Whoa! There's a bunch of jumping fish. What do you think it is?
I have no idea. I haven't caught it here. This is my first fish caught in the sea. You filming it?
Yeah.
No, you're filming that one. This is where the action is. Here it is right here. It's coming. Dad, you see how I'm bent over here, Dad? There it is. It's all coming on the top right there. You see it?
Yeah.
I'm skipping it. There it is. Yeah. Yeah. Kind of close down. Okay. Let me get him off and get him back in the water.
So, wonder what's bleeding.
Woo! Did you get it?
Let me see your feet. Yeah, I got it. Found some more blood.
Like an island rain, it comes in out of nowhere. You might not choose to go there, but it hits you just the same. Close your eyes and see what matters. Wash away your worry and pain. There's holy water in an island rain. Maybe what you have ain't what you wanted. Where you are ain't where you wanna be. Maybe you feel tied down. Maybe something's gonna come around and set you free. Like an island rain, it comes in out of nowhere. You might not choose to go there, but it hits you just the same. Close your eyes and see what matters, and wash away your worry and pain. There's holy water in an island rain. Every day is a blessing to be counted. Every night is a lesson to be learned. Watching the world go round takes a whole lot of up and down to make a turn. Like an island rain, it comes in out of nowhere. You might not choose to go there, but it hits you just the same.